In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Miro board with guests. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to let others access your board: inviting specific people by email or sharing a public link that anyone can open. First, let's open the Share menu. You can do this from your dashboard by hovering over the board, clicking the three dots, and selecting Share. Or if you're already inside the board, look to the top right and click the Share button there. Both paths lead to the same sharing controls. If you want to invite specific guests, enter their email addresses in the field provided. Take a moment to double check for typos so the invite reaches the right people. This method is great when you need tighter control over who gets in. Next, set the permission level that fits what you want your guests to do. Choose Can View if you only want them to look at the content without interacting. Choose Can Comment if you want feedback through comments but don't want changes to the board itself. Choose Can Edit if you want full collaboration. Depending on your plan, you may see a pop-up asking you to invite as guest. Go ahead and select that if prompted to ensure they're added as temporary collaborators rather than full team members. When you're ready, click Send Invitations. Your guests will receive an email with a direct link to the board, and they can follow that link to access the board at the permission level you chose. If they're new to Miro, they may be prompted to sign in or create an account before they can view or interact with the board. If you prefer to share a public link that anyone can open, click the Share button on the board again. Look for the section labeled Anyone with the link and choose the level of access: Can View, Can Comment, or Can Edit. Availability can vary based on your plan, so pick the option that's offered and appropriate for your needs. For broad audiences, Can View is usually the safest choice. Reserve Can Edit for trusted collaborators. Finally, copy the generated link and share it through email, text, or your preferred messaging tool. Remember, anyone who has this link will get the access you set, so treat edit links with care. That's it. Use email invites for precise control, or a public link for quick, easy sharing. You can always return to the same Share menu to review or adjust permissions later as your needs change.